I'm Curtis Mathis. We can't promise you how long our sets will last. But when you buy one, choose it carefully, because chances are it's going to be around a long time.
Hi, welcome to the channel. Today's video we're going to be showing you how we made this amazing looking fish tank out of this 1960s TV cabinet. Stay tuned to see how we did it. a little recap of what we've done, how we built this fantastic fish tank. We started off in the 1960s. It was a junk, really, TV cabinet. It had a tambour door, like a slidey door, no TV inside it. Well, it was really ready for the junk, for the skip. What we've done is we've transformed it into this amazing fish tank you can see around us. First thing was, we gave it a French polish, and then we gave it a burnishing cream over the top to make it really shiny. There was a few bits of veneer we had to repair, they were tricky. We used waxes to fill some of the cracks and the holes that were in it. The tambour door, we didn't want that to close the fish tank, so we just held that back. We strengthened the base because we had a 100-kilo tank in there, and we knew that it just wouldn't be strong enough without strengthening the base, so we did that. Put a little drawer underneath where we put the strengthening. We also, one of the tricky parts was we had to lower the top section up there, the top section of the tank, just because the water level, when we put the tank in there, you would have seen the top of the water, and we didn't want that. So we dropped that down, recut the miters on there, and then we put this little black surround to make it look like a real TV screen. And then we also put this surround that's behind us, this American diner. Filled it with all this awesome stuff, got the little bubble machine down there. And what else have we done? Well, we did loads. We've got the lights, the filter system, we've got tropical fish in here now, which is what we wanted. And we also put these legs on the bottom. The idea of this fish tank, somebody came up with, is to have the fish tank sliding out of the back of the TV. We didn't want to put any holes in the top of the TV. We didn't want to see any way of getting into the tank to feed. Normally you feed from the top. So what we did is we put a drawer system on here. Never seen it done before. So the whole tank slides out so you can feed the fish, clean the fish, get the filters out, and it all slides back in again. So we had to put strong legs on. We started off with some metal legs that we tried. They didn't quite look right. Then we got these wooden legs. I think they were birch to begin with. We sanded them back, stained them to match. It's quite difficult to get the colour to match exactly with the TV unit, but we got there. And they splayed out slightly, and that really helps. When we pull the tank out the back, there's a little stop on there so the tank doesn't come too far, but that stops the tank from toppling backwards, and we all thought that would happen, and it hasn't. So yeah, it's a great tank. Thanks for watching this video. If you've liked it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.